So let's talk about the healthiest weed in the world. Now, what is a weed? It's a plant that is growing in the wrong place at the wrong time. But the healthiest weed that you can eat is the dandelion. Now, you probably have these in your backyard growing right now. They've been around for about 30 million years, and the Egyptians, the Greeks, the Romans consumed dandelion for various things. Traditional Chinese medicine has used dandelion greens for over 1,000 years, and you can consume not just the leaves of the dandelion, but the flower as well. Now, there's an English folk name for dandelion, piss-a-bed, and that's because it's a powerful diuretic. And of course, if you consume too much, you could potentially wet your bed, right? But it's very high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K1. A lot of minerals, potassium, magnesium, and even iron. But it has a spectrum of phytonutrients, one being Apigenin, okay? Now, Apigenin is a powerful phytonutrient. It can create effects similar to chemotherapy and anti-cancer effects, but without the side effects. Number one, dandelion is very powerful for your liver. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of people consume it in their salad or as a remedy itself. It's really good for the kidney as well as the gallbladder. But it creates some very powerful effects on your liver. Whether the liver is inflamed, or you have a fatty liver, or you have the beginnings of fibrosis or even cirrhosis. It's probably one of the most potent herbs for type 2 diabetes because it helps to regulate the B cells, the beta cells, which you then start to lose function when you become a diabetic, and then your blood sugars start going higher and higher and higher. Any diabetic, whether you're type 1 or type 2, should be consuming dandelions in your salad and even as a supplement. And watch what happens. You're going to be quite impressed. Number 3, anti-cancer. And now we know why, because the Apigenin. And number 4, it's a very powerful anti-inflammatory. So if you want some additional information as far as studies and data, I put some links down below.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple.
We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.